How to put Zoom on your mobile. First, we need to go to the App Store, the Play Store. In the search box at the top, type Zoom. Click Install. Once that's installed, just click Open. This is the first page we see in Zoom. If you already have an account, you can just click Sign In. As a first-time user, we are going to sign up. So the first thing you see, they ask for your date of birth. So just input your details on here and then click Set. Once you've clicked Set with your date of birth, this is what you'll see. You need to input your email address here, your first name, your last name, and remember to click the I agree to terms of service so that you can use the app. Once you've filled in those details, you just press Next. Once you press Next, you'll see this screen. We've sent you an email to verify your account. You now need to go and find that email. When you get to your emails, remember to check your spam box. Once you get to your email, it will look a little bit like this. So you just click on Activate Account. That will take you straight through to the Zoom main page, where it will ask you, according to this, if you are signing in on behalf of a school. So we just click No for that, and then we can move on to the next page. So once you get to the next page, it will then ask you for your password. So you just need to put your password in there and then confirm your password in the second box. And once you've done that, you will then click Continue. Now this is a page where you can invite other people by adding their email addresses. But we're just going to skip this step because it's not something I plan to do. And then when you get to this point, you can then start hosting your own meetings. This is your personal URL. If you just wish to join a meeting, you can press on the join button there. And this is where you would put the meeting ID number in if you have it. When you go to sign in the app, you might see this. Just click Continue. So going into the Zoom app for the first time, that's what you'll see. So sign in here if you've already created an account. Just put your account details in there, the email and the password that you created, and then click Sign In. To join a meeting, simply click Join the Meeting. Put in the meeting ID number at the top, click Join Meeting. If you wish to disconnect the audio or visuals at any point, you can do that here. The app itself looks like this. At the top, you can start a meeting. This is your personal meeting ID number. So you can schedule a meeting here, dates, times, specific passwords. The specific personal meeting number is there. That's what schedule a meeting looks like. Just click Meetings. Clicking on Meetings, this is what you'll see. Any scheduled meetings will appear here. If you're hosting, to start your meeting, just click Start. Zoom wants permission, so allow permissions. At the bottom of your chat screen, these are important buttons. This is what you need to click so people can see you. Start video. To speak to people, you click on this one. Also at the bottom is contacts. The option here to use contacts on your phone or external hard drives. In settings, this is what we see. Contacts, meeting, chat options. Going into contacts. These are the options inside. Use our phone to match contacts. Contact requests. Into meeting options. This many options can make people nervous. Don't be. Some of these are useful. Video options, sound options, the ability to turn them on and off, names of participants, captions, a timer so you know how long you've been online. Some of these things can be helpful. Chat options. Again, lots of options. Some of them might be useful to personalize your experience. The easiest way to access Zoom is via a link. There are lots of ways to get links. Could be via text message. Go to your text message and just click the link. You could have a link via email, so just click your emails. Same with your emails, just find the email and click the blue link. It could be you have a WhatsApp invite. Go to your WhatsApp message and click on the blue link. For ease and preference, just click always. This is what it looks like, and when the host is ready, you'll be accepted to the meeting. As you can see, it's preparing. It does it all for you. And then as you come on, what you need to do is you need to hit the start video button so Bryony can see us. So if you hit the join audio button, click on call device, we should be connected. Hello.